Hi boys and girls, this is Indiana Lesson 9. This is the introduction. If you hear barking in the background, I apologize. We're going to start off, this is a lesson about circles and polygons, and we're going to start off by talking about what a polygon is. So a polygon is a closed plane figure made up of line segments. So Maxie, that's enough. Any shape that you can make, that's a polygon. Okay. A regular polygon has sides with equal length and equal angles. And so regular polygons are like an equilateral triangle, a square, the pentagon, the hexagon, and the octagon. So you're familiar with that. So that's a regular polygon. Same side lengths and same measure, same angle measurements. A circle, and I know that you know what a circle is. You're like, okay, so like that's a circle and that's an oval. But the actual definition of a circle is it's all of these are like it's a not a line, it's actually, these are all different little like points. Each one of these would be like a different point, and there'd be like all these little points, and they'd be like next to each other, which would make like something that looks like a line, even though it's actually all these little different points. You'll get into that when you get into geometry next year, but they are all equidistant from the center of the circle. So this distance is the same as this distance, which is why this is not a circle. And in theory, if this was perfect, this would be circle, but we know that this is actually not a circle. And so our little beginning lesson here says, it wants us to design a garden flagpole with a flagpole in the middle. Design a garden with a flagpole in the middle. In the drawing, draw a fence so that each point on the fence is 4 centimeters from the point of the flagpole. What do you notice? And so basically what it wants us to do is it wants us to, we're going to end up drawing a circular garden. Here's the flagpole in the center. You could even like make yourself a little flag if you wanted to. That's the center of the circle. And then each one would be 4 centimeters so this would be a measure of 4 centimeters this way. Each part of the fence is 4 centimeters from the center. And then that also means that if we measure all the way across, which is called the diameter, this would be the radius, and this would be the diameter. The diameter's measurement would be 8 centimeters because 4 plus 4. So that is your introduction to circles and polygons.